In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Zoho Mail. This is a simple but really useful feature that lets your colleagues or contacts know whether you're available, busy, away, or not to be disturbed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your status settings and how to adjust them in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Mail account and looking at your inbox or any other main mail view. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This usually shows either your initials or a small profile picture. Go ahead and move your mouse to that top right corner and click on the profile icon. This opens a small panel that contains your account details and presence information. Inside this panel, look for a small arrow next to your current status. It may show something like available, busy, or away. The arrow is what you'll use to open the list of all the possible status options. Click on that little arrow. Don't worry if it's subtle or a bit small on your screen. You may need to hover over it for a second until you see it clearly. Once you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of status choices. This is where you actually change how others see your availability. You'll typically see options like available, busy, do not disturb, or away. Take a moment to think about what best reflects your current situation. For example, if you're actively checking emails and ready to respond, choose available. If you're in a meeting or focusing on a task and don't want interruptions, select busy or do not disturb. If you're stepping away from your desk, pick away so people know you might not respond right away. Now, simply click on the status you want to use. As soon as you select it, Zoho Mail updates your presence, and anyone who can see your status in connected Zoho apps will see that change almost immediately. You don't need to save anything or confirm. The update is automatic. That's all there is to it. Click on your profile icon, open the small arrow next to your current status, and then select the status that best describes your availability. With this quick habit, you'll communicate more clearly with your team